All right, Brett, come in.
All right, what do you got there? What do you got there?
Brett finally received
All right, let's make some room.
his favorite car.
I know. Another one.
Let's put this
Another
away.
one to the collection of what Brett gets to take home.
Yes.
Really? Another one of your favorites.
Not quite. How are we?
The shop
Look
is
at it.
moving into
Yeah,
Brett's
you got
place.
That's right.
Big
Wow.
chunk of monkey, this thing.
How cool is this?
Pretty good.
So last
We haven't
year,
had one since last year,
Nah.
have we? And we did a bit of a hot up project. And
that's right. That was
we did a
fun.
little bit of fun with it, and then it just walked out the door.
And
We
so
thought that we were going to
I thought
be
it
able
was
to
gonna be-
keep it and play with it, but we just
Yeah.
finished it and it was sold.
it was my private collection, but it didn't end up that way,
I know.
unfortunately.
We tried to build something unsellable and that didn't work.
That
No.
didn't
It
work.
was actually too good.
Yes.
So now what's the plan with this?
Yeah,
We're going to unbox it.
We're going to unbox it for a
so
start.
to see what's inside.
So let's have a look.
Yep,
So
let's
this
unbox it.
is a
Yeah.
Traxxas TRX-6. Now
Yep.
let's have a look at what you're getting. Now just be careful because last time
You want to hold on to
unboxed
something?
I nearly
Oh, hang
got
on,
the
there's a
radio.
transmitter here.
Is there a transmitter in
Yeah,
there?
yeah,
There
yeah.
we go.
He's out.
Here we go.
All right, so
Now
put
this
that
is
out.
the AMG G63
I'll hold this up
6x6,
and
isn't it?
You're going to make the honor of pulling out the
Ready?
car, eh?
Da, 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 da. Oh, yeah.
Oh, it's a
Ooh,
white
nothing.
edition too.
Yeah,
Here he
that's
comes,
it.
here he comes.
This is.
Oh, no.
Look at this. Hello. There, look at it. That is fantastic. Oh, as much as I want to tear all the wrapping and everything off, we better had not do that.
No,
This could be
no.
going to a home other than mine. So this is lovely. This is the Traxxas TRX-6,
It's decent
Isn't
size,
Isn't
isn't
it?
it?
6x6. So yeah, 6-wheel drive, 6-wheel diff locking, front to rear diff locking, 2-speed transmission, isn't it?
Yes.
So you can crawl up, obviously being a crawler, and you can kick it into second gear, and
Speed
you
quick,
can
actually.
get
Definitely good speed, actually.
yeah, with 3S powered, it definitely is pretty fast. It's
And-
faster than it should have any right to be.
And if you put brushless system, it's a little rocket.
A little
You
rocket.
can probably jump it. But
So-
in real life, I've seen some videos on YouTube of this car being jumped on the dunes. on the
Really?
desert. Yeah,
Please, really.
yeah,
No.
definitely.
I don't know.
The model and the real one.
Really?
Yeah,
Really
definitely.
soft tires too.
It's really impressive.
Well, I suppose I have to be to really get the grip on the terrain that it's got. So let's take the body off and let's have a look.
Okay, so
Now you notice a little wire hanging off under there.
yes,
We're gonna light this bad boy up. So this one
Yeah.
has factory fitted Traxxas
So
lights on it, doesn't it?
jump
lots
on
of
the
lights.
top camera
So-
so you guys can see.
I'll put this down out the way.
So the traditional TRX4 finishes roughly here.
Yeah.
Okay,
Yeah.
so the front part is virtually identical to a TRX4.
Yeah.
And then they did the extension, so they've done all the molding on the mat guards here
On the rear rack, then
Yeah.
they extended the rear chassis
and the
part.
standard rear.
Hmm.
Obviously modelled on the real car,
That's
Yeah.
right.
and they could utilise a lot of the rear parts of the
That's right.
four-wheel drive already. Some parts are unique to this car though, aren't they? Like it's got the that center drive shaft out of
That's
the diff
right.
here. This is going to be unique to this model because
Yep.
that's where. So from here back is all new.
Yep.
Probably in the
From
middle here.
from here forward.
Yes, it.
From here forward is all going to be run-of-the-mill TRX4, and
And
that's
this
nothing to
part
be
here.
sneezed at.
It's a bit different.
Yeah, and this part here is all new and different.
So being having an extra diff, it's got another diff lock.
Yeah,
That's right.
yeah. So you can three-way diff lock on this one.
Yep.
This one's currently locked. Everything's locked together on this one. So front, rear, left, right is all locked up. But when
Yep.
we power it up,
Play with it.
we'll have a play with it. So we've got detailed exhaust on this model, which is a really nice touch.
Bling bling.
And also
Yeah.
the
Skid
the
plate,
skid plate.
bash
yeah,
plate.
bash
Yeah.
plate. Yeah, that's quite nice. The front as well.
Oh yeah.
And it's designed to fit the body really, really well, actually. It
Yeah.
fits around the body perfectly.
So, and it looks really nice scale.
That's right.
They've done a really good job. So I thought we'd power it up. So I've brought in with me a 9 steps 2S battery. Now keep in mind as well that this will take 3S straight off
That's
with
right.
these electronics. So similar electronics to the other gear that they run.
Let's try this with 3S, haven't you?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Absolutely. It was good.
So
And we
Just
just we tried brushless as well, 3S, which is
Yep.
even better.
Right.
we've got the Traxxas battery mount system here, which is unique to Traxxas and common across a lot of their vehicles. So
Yeah.
you can use
Very clever.
You can use multiple different size batteries and configurations in here. Obviously 2S, 3S, various capacities, soft pack, hard pack.
Yeah.
As long as you've got a Traxxas connector on there, we should be right to go. Now, before we go any further, we're going to have to power up the transmitter. because that is brand new.
Got some batteries? Oh,
Got some batteries.
All right.
So, and this should be as simple as putting 4 AA's in.
Are you always having in your pocket by the look of it?
Oh, well,
Oh, everything is powered by double A's, right?
that's
You
right.
never know when you need them.
Here we go. Look at this.
So,
All right.
back on the top camera.
Back on the top camera. Now we'll switch this one on here.
Yep.
We've got the green light on here. We
Yep.
should be ready to go.
All right.
So if I give this a bit of a kick,
I'll hold it down a bit more.
oh,
Oh, there
here we go. It's alive,
It
and
is
we
alive.
are crawling.
So
you're gonna
you lift
drive
the front to lift the rear. Up
Yep.
you go. Let's go on camera
So you
again.
can see here,
It's
Oh,
actually
yeah.
driving.
it is
And we can
6-wheel
do-
driving. Now, if I kick that into second gear while it's moving nice and slow,
Yeah.
you'll see how the speed increases.
You really hear the click, can't you?
Yeah,
That's it.
it's quite a solid mechanical thud.
So, little servo.
And then if we go back over to the top cameras,
That's it.
Yep.
we can have a look at, these are the diff locking servos.
Yep.
So we've got one, that way they'll all be
All
open.
open.
So if we lift it up again and spin the wheels, we can see here how all the
they're
diffs
independent.
are open and independent for maximum maneuverability, I suppose you could
Yep.
say, and
Yep.
drivability. Then if we go to the middle position,
Only the front is locked. I think.
only the front is locked. So that's going to help in
Yep.
traction, but still get maneuverability.
Yep.
And then we can go that way, and then they're all
locked up.
all 6 wheels are locked together. I'm used to saying
Right.
4. All 6 wheels are locked together. So, and this transmitter can also be used with the TQI link module in the back.
Oh, it makes things a bit easier, yeah?
Yeah. Well, you can then get the app on your phone,
Yep.
and you can really tune and control all the settings of the servos,
Yep.
the motor, a bit of data logging, I think,
That's right.
and that sort of thing. So I suppose now we've got it on, and we've got it alive. Let's
Yep.
put the
Body.
body back on.
And the lights.
And
Yeah,
have a look.
let's see some
And
line
this
action.
is the star of the show. It's actually quite a classy little setup on this. It's a little bit finicky to get in.
Oh, that's bright.
Lights are on.
You'll see it quite bright and predominant, which is nice. Being LED, they should be water friendly. Can I get it on? I can't see.
Yeah, that's it.
Yeah, it's in.
Here
Right.
we go. Have a look at that. Spin that around.
Probably
Look at
hard to
that.
Oh,
see.
we can't
What-
see in the
what-
full lights.
What if I...
Ah!
How's that?
Nah,
No, we really can't see. So we've got it too well lit
So-
up in here.
let's see.
Oh,
There we
look
go.
at that.
Look at
Yep.
that. That works.
So we've got headlights, clearance lights, we've got roof lights,
And,
And
also tail lights.
you've got the tail lights.
Okay.
So they've done a
That's
a
cool.
really good job. It's a really good feature that the standard Defender, the 4x4 Defender doesn't come with.
Yes.
It does come with a bit of a premium of a price tag over the 4x4, but it is a lot more vehicle. It's just cool. I don't know.
Like, these
think
are the ones
it's
that
really
really so
cool.
bright, these tiny ones here.
Super bright. Yeah.
Yeah. So Traxxas have smashed it out of the park again. Giving us something really nice to play with, giving some crawler guys. It appeals to the crawler guys because it's quite capable.
That's right.
It appeals to the scale guys because it's good looking and quite scale, and it
Yep.
appeals to those that want to play with RC stuff because it's
With,
fun to play with.
With the second axle at the rear, it's actually really capable of climbing quite steep
Yeah.
climbs because the second axle help it from tipping over.
From tipping
Yep.
backwards because it's so much longer.
That's right. So it'll be quite capable, even though it's quite heavy. It's going to be a really
It's
good
never really bothered the crawlers too much, though, has it?
No, probably not.
Adds some stability there.
That's
Yeah.
right.
Well, luckily, we've got good trading deals at the moment on blue Defender Utes,
Yes.
and I think old Blue might be coming in for a
Yeah.
changeover.
Yeah,
Oh, really?
Could come for a trade-in. Let's see if we can get the deal. Do you
So-
take second hands?
So that is the Traxxas
Six.
the Trax 6x6
Hmm.
AMG 63.
Good.
What an awesome car. Bit of an unboxing. All we got to do is play with it more, I suppose.
I think
Yeah,
so too.
cool.